Understanding, Clarify the Limits, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an important and somewhat complex phrase that can be quite useful in both personal and professional settings. Clarify the limits. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your communication skills, especially in situations requiring clear boundaries. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. Clarify means to make something clearer or easier to understand by providing more details or information. Limits, on the other hand, refer to boundaries or extents to which something can go or be allowed. When we combine these words, clarify the limits involves making the boundaries or extents of something clear. This can refer to rules, expectations, capacities, or the extent of responsibility in various contexts such as work, relationships, and personal goals. Clarifying the limits is crucial because it helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. In a work setting, for example, knowing the limits of your responsibilities ensures that you're not overburdened and that everyone knows what is expected of them. In personal relationships, clarifying limits can help maintain healthy boundaries, ensuring that all parties feel respected and understood. 1. In the workplace, you might hear a manager say, "We need to clarify the limits of each team member's responsibilities to improve our project management." 2. In personal relationships, a person might say, "We need to clarify the limits of our friendship to ensure that we both have the same expectations." 3. In academic settings, a teacher might say, "Let's clarify the limits of this assignment to ensure you understand what is required." 1. Be specific. When trying to clarify the limits, be as specific as possible. Vague statements can lead to more confusion. 2. Use clear language. Avoid jargon or complex language that might confuse the listener, especially if they are English learners. 3. Provide examples. Giving examples can help illustrate what the limits are and make your explanation clearer. 4. Ask for confirmation. After explaining, ask the other person if they understand the limits to ensure there's no misunderstanding. Thank you for watching our video on Clarify the Limits. We hope you now have a better understanding of this phrase and feel more confident using it in your daily conversations. Remember, clear communication is key to successful interactions, and clarifying limits plays a significant role in that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.